Hello parents, today we are going to do one activity that will be for their writing readiness. So what is that which we have to prepare? If the child is 8 months, 1 year or 2 years, what is that which we are going to do is I will be showing you 3 different activities which we are going to really look into. So you can start with one after the other activity. I have lace. Anything at home you can take this as a lace, and small beads. If you don't have these beads, you can make with the atta, the wheat atta which you are going to, and dry it so that you can make a hole using a pencil, so that you can get this a hard one. So once you dry, otherwise if you get these beads also should be fine, which you can use. So we are going to work on the child activity, that the child will be having this bead and you are going to insert. So this is the first step what you are going to work on, the child's fine motor skill. So the child can use all the fingers, and the child can hold this thread. So eye hand coordination, you are building that skill, and also fine motor skills. This is one activity which you are going to do. The child is going to use both the hands, the right hand and the left hand. So once it insert, holding here and pulling it down. Yes, so this is ready. Fine. So the next activity, so this can be done for 1 year to 3 years. You see the different activities what the child is going to work on. Next we see that many child doesn't hold the pencil. The child holds like this, the child holds like this, the child holds like this with all the fingers. So we have to prepare the child. So I think if you have this Fevistick, make this at home. I think everyone will be having Fevistick. So you can just rotate. If you feel this is also not there, then you can go with some of the creams which will be there empty, so that the child will not open and squeeze out and waste. You can work on these creams, the empty sachets which you have, and the child will use. So you are developing the fine motor skills of the child. So the child is going to hold and open, close, open. So all the fingers, you can make out all the fingers you are using, and press. This is one activity which you are going to do. And if you feel the child is really not working with this, I would show you this. You can take some grains at home, or the Bada Kabul you can take, or Rajma you can take, the bigger one first. Try this. This is a few seeds which we had, and we are going to use this. So what the child is going to do, you are going to give the whole fist. It is like all the fingers you are going to work on. So it is the fingers which you are going to rub and rub. So press, press and press. Work on this. Rub, move your fingers. It's only the finger exercise. So you can start with basic. If you don't have anything also, the child can really work on this. How do you make? This is also the first exercise which you can do. Make the child prepare for the writing part. So you can just give them this exercise, then squeezing, squeezing, then squeezing and squeezing. Then you can give some different activity where you are going to give some grains and make them squeeze and squeeze and squeeze. This will be the second step. And the third, when you feel that yes, the child is really ready for this, then we can go with one seed and all the fingers the child is going to. So each finger 1, and this 2, and this 3, and this 4. So the child is using all the fingers, moving round and round and round. So you are preparing child for writing readiness. Yes, thank you so much.